small example. For example, I give you one circuit diagram like this. Okay, like this. It is having a value of like this. Now, let me take a simple here. Okay, it is a 10 volt. It is having 5 volt. Value of resistance is 2 ohm. It is also 2 ohm, 2 ohm, 2 ohm, and 2 ohm, like this. We have to find the current in the circuit, how much current is flowing through it, and how much current is flowing through. We have to find this. Okay, in each branch, how much current. Let us say it is I1, it is I2. Okay, we have to find I1, what will be I1 and what will be I2. Okay, what we will do, how to proceed. Let us take example. Now, for this type of question, first of all, if current is given, then okay. Not given, then we have to assume I1 and I2. Now, let us suppose I1 current flows from here, and we know in this connection, this type of series connection, okay, current is same. Okay, current will be same here, like this. Current will be same. So, if current is same, from at this point, what will happen? I2 is current coming here. I2, you can see I2 is coming from this side. What will happen? They will get adds up here. How? By KCL. We know by Kirchhoff's current law, at a junction, incoming current will be equal to outgoing current, and the outgoing current is I1 plus I2. Okay. Now, at this point, I1 plus I2 comes, and the corresponding current will go to the corresponding source. So I1 will go this side at this point, and I2 will go this point. Okay, and they will terminate at the negative or low potential of their source. Okay, now current distribution we have done. Now what we have to do? We have to take loop equation. Now let us assume this is the loop equation. We take loop 1 and we take loop 2 here. Okay, loop direction, no worry, you can take in any direction, but usually we take in a direction of current. You can see in direction of current, the direction of current, but it's not any convention. You can use any direction of that loop. Okay, now I am writing equation in loop 1. You can see loop 1 clearly. I am starting from here, any point from here. Okay, moving this direction. I tell you, moving in direction of current. What we will write? Minus 2 into I1. Okay, here you can tell like this, I1, and here 2 resistance. What you will take? Minus 2 into I1 here. Now at this point we will go down. What will happen? Again along the direction of current, you can see current at the direction of current, and we are moving this direction only. Then again minus sign. We will write I1 plus I2 into 2 ohm. We reached here. Now we will go here. Now in this cell, what we are doing? We are moving from negative low potential to high potential. That means positive sign, 10 volt, and we reached here. Initial starting point equal to 0. Okay. By using this technique, we have written the equation. Now loop 2. See loop 2. What will happen in loop 2? We are starting. We have to take in this direction. Okay. Now let us start from here. From here. Now from here we see we are moving from low potential to high potential of a cell. That means positive plus 5. Okay. From here we are moving in direction of current. That means minus of I2 into 2. This direction, again direction of current. That means minus of I1 plus I2 into 2. From here you can see we are moving in direction of, from here we can move moving in direction of current. That means minus of I2 into 2. Okay, we reached here. This is the starting point, so equal to 0. We can arrange it. What we will get? We will get minus 4I1. We can break this bracket also. then we can write it clearly like this: minus of 6i1 minus of 2i2 is equal to minus 10. Sign, remove the sign, we can write like this: take 2 common, 3i1 plus 2i2 is equal to 5. One equation you can get from here. Similarly, second equation from here, and you can solve it. Okay, solving 1 and 2 equation, you will get value of i1 and i2. Okay, any problem here? And one more thing, you can write one more equation. Sometimes it will be needed for you. You can write this equation also. How? You can write this equation also. I show you. One more equation you can write like this from here. You can write one more equation like this. How? You can write one more equation like this. You can start from here, go here, and move there, and come to this point. Okay, you can write this equation also, this big loop. Okay, any problem to anyone, you can ask here. Okay, then if you will get comfortable with this writing equation, then I will tell you one shortcut, one short trick, how to write this equation very easily in one step only. That I will tell when you will get a perfect in this writing this equation. Then I will tell you the shortcut. Okay.